So you could be making $25 a day by just sharing your unused internet and by performing some tasks on this app I'm about to show you. I won't promise this app is going to make you money so fast, but I assure you that this app is going to significantly make you some quick cash that can help support your daily income by just performing some less work on your free times. You can be at the comfort of your home or anywhere you find yourself and be making $25 online with just your phone and an internet. So I tested this app and I've been using this app for some few days, which has made me some cash that I would like to share with you. I will show you how much I've made so far just using this app on my phone. So make sure to stick to the end of this video to also learn how to use this app to make some quick cash on your phone. And the best part is this app is available worldwide and doesn't need any special knowledge or any fancy phone to get started. Without wasting much time, let's dive into this app and also show you how you can also start making money with this app. So this app claims you can make $12 a day and $360 per month just sharing your data and performing surveys on your phone. They've already paid $3.8 million in 2023, and you can withdraw with many payment gateways like PayPal, Bitcoin, and gift cards. So I've been using this app and I've been able to make this amount of money. So I'm using this video to show you my experience and how you can also start making money on your phone. So this app is called Pounds App. Check my unique link in the description below to register and download it on both your Android phone or your iOS devices. You will receive $1 free to get started with this app. You only get this $1 free if you use the link in the description below, and you get another $1 when you make your first payout, and another $1 free when you make your second payout. So in my payment settings here, I can withdraw with Bitcoin, which I've already entered here. So I copied my Bitcoin address on my Binance app and pasted it here. So anytime I reach the payout and I want to request for the payout, they will just pay me directly into my Bitcoin address. If you want to learn how to get a Bitcoin address on Binance, you can actually check a video in the description below to learn that. If you are in the US or UK or any of these European countries, you can also register on Coinbase for free. There are so many ways to make money on the app. The first one is sharing your internet securely on the app. Sharing your unused internet on this app helps companies in research and data collection to perform correct advertising to their customers. So this app securely shares your unused internet with advertisers and reward you in the app. So you make 20 cents each gig that you share on the app, which looks less than other apps that offer the same services. I read a video of another app which provides higher income with this same similar service that can also provide you more money with sharing your internet with companies. So to share your internet, all you need to do is to click on Share Internet. Then you get a notification connecting. Now your internet is being shared. So the second way to make money on this app is by answering surveys. So you get to find a lot of surveys on this app depending on the location that you are in, and also depends on the time. Some of them pay as high as $1.50 for each survey that you perform, and some also pay a couple of cents to perform a simple task. So you can be paid $1.50 on a 15-minute survey, which is not bad, trying to answer some free surveys and making money on your phone. So you'll find different amounts depending on the company conducting the survey and your locality. So before you complete a survey, there will be a couple of questions they will ask you before you can get started. This will make sure that you are really the targeted audience they are looking for to answer the survey. So they need you to provide the accurate results when you are answering the surveys. So they vary from country to country, and the surveys that I might get in my country might be a different survey that you get in your country. And depending on your location, you might see more surveys in one country than the other. And this can affect how much you make on the app. You need to be very quick in answering the surveys when you see it on your app, or you get a notification that there is a survey available, because the survey mostly requires a number of people to answer them, and when the number is elapsed, then you might not be able to answer the surveys. You might also get rejected in some of the surveys if your results are not consistent. So if they ask you a question and they see that your answers are not consistent, they might reject your survey and you won't be paid the amount that you are supposed to get. So make sure that whenever you are answering a survey on this app, your answers should be consistent, and you must make sure you are answering the surveys correctly to avoid being rejected. So to get started with a survey, you need to click on the surveys in here. Then you'll find a lot of surveys in here depending on your country. So now you can see I have one survey here. So I'm going to start this survey now. All I need to do is to click on start survey. So it will take some few seconds to get started. Then I'll need to answer some few questions in here. So depending on the answer that you choose, it will make you qualify. Another way to make money on this app is by their quest tab. So this quest section will give you tasks to perform to gain points. And you can convert this point to money, which increases the chances of making more money on the app. Another easy way to make money on this app is by referring people to also download and use the app. And you can make up to $3 per each user that you refer to the app. That means there are more ways to make quick cash by just referring people to use the app. And you also get 10% for every payout your referral makes on the app. So it's both a win-win for you and your referral. So that means that anybody who registers with your link will also get $3 when they use your link to register. So all you need to do is to copy your referral link and share it to friends on all social media to start using your unique link to register. The more people you get on board, the more money you make. Note that you will not make any money if your referrals are not active on the app. You will not make any money even if you have a lot of referrals and they don't stay active. So before I release how much I've made so far, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more money-making videos like this. So at the end of 3 days, I use all the features in the app, and this is so far what I have made. So this shows that not everyone can make up to the $12 a day, but it also depends on your location. So if I was to be in these Western countries, I would have made a lot of money every day by just sharing and also answering some of these surveys to make $12 a day. So it's possible that you can make this $12 if you use all these features, and I don't think it's really a bad idea at all, because even where I am and making this amount, I feel like it's really great to just make money on my phone without doing any much work. So my location limits me the number of surveys that I'm able to get on the app. If I was able to answer a lot of surveys, I think I would have made a lot of money just answering surveys. However, it's really not a bad idea for installing this application. I'm going to keep this application running on my phone for a very long time, which will generate me free cash without doing any tedious work, just answering surveys. So I will continue to use this app for a month, and I will share updates on everything that I have made on this app. So if you want to make more money, then it means you have to install it on many devices and also use different IPs. I mean, different networks on different devices to make more money. You can also install it on your Windows PC, MacBook, your tablet, and the more devices that you use, the more money that you make. So if you want to learn how to make more money on your phone, then make sure to check the next video here. Don't forget to smash the like button and share this video to your friends that you love. Subscribe to the channel to stay active for more videos on apps that pay real money and how to make money online.